Hey y'all, Prism here. Today I got a very special device in the mail today that will help me with my system here. I did this one cut off camera so it's easier for me to do it one-handed. And let's see if I can do this one-handed. I might have to do this part off cam. Alrighty. Come on. There we go. This is my DUSMC coding and sync module by 405080. Come on. This is so cool. For those of you who don't know, this is basically a module that can code alarms such as this alarm over here to March timer code 3 and etc. And it even has other codes like 4444, 9 BPM, etc. I can't wait to use this on my system. But that will do for this unboxing. See you all next time.